Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center, model VF2B, serial number 1076521. Machine is new in 2010. This machine is original paint. It has not really been run. It has the 2-speed gearbox, chip auger, programmable coolant, P-Cool. We're gonna run it for you. 7,500 RPM spindle, 20 ATC. Right now we are running at 3,500 RPM. That's 5,000. That's 5,600 RPM. Machine is really quiet. Spindle brake, tool change. Again, it's a 20 ATC. It's Cat 40 tooling. Takes Cat 40 tooling. Machine's 30 inches in the X, 16 in the Y, and 20 in the Z. I'm gonna jog the axes. That's your X. Table size of the machine is 14 by 36. That's your Y. And your Z. Okay. Again, thank you for watching our video. The machine is a nice one.